Hey y'all, I am Parker Kit Hill and I am a singer, dancer, actor. I live in New York City and I feel like here you need to have a good bag. Today for this test drive, I have this amazing Jil Sander bag from Farfetch. It is a huge tote bag that's the size of my body, which is iconic and we love that. As I test this bag out today, I'm gonna be looking for 3 things. First is wearability. Can I carry this around comfortably and stylishly? Second is size. Does this bag fit everything? And third, adaptability. Will this bag work in all types of situations? Let's get this test drive on the streets. Here's the look. Very chic and easy. I love it because it's so New York and it's so versatile and I can really get things done in this. One more thing, the Jil Sander bag. This will complete the look we love. Look at the size of this. It's so perfect. I can't be like holding my bag in my hands because I need to run and get things done. So this is perfect because it works really well with this jacket. It just lays on top of it and it can just stay here and I'm not taking up that much space. This totally passes the wearability test. It's super easy to wear, it's super lightweight. So first, I need to fill this bag with everything that I need and then we can head into the city. Let's go. Okay, so as you can see, I have a lot of things that need to be put into this bag. Here we go. I'm gonna start by putting my mask in here. This is my little gaming controller. Wet wipes, you need them. Scented body oil, cute little lip balm, hand sanitizer, sunglasses, do-rag. Yes. This definitely fit everything that I needed and it totally passed the size check. The last step before going outside today is getting my friend's opinion. I'm gonna FaceTime my friend Deon to see what he thinks. He's a photographer, model, icon, Black king. I love him so much and I'm always there for him and I feel like he needs to be here for me now. Hey Deon.
Hello, babe.
What's up? Hey. I need your opinion on my outfit right now because...
Let me see. First off, the purple.
The purple is everything, right?
The purple's yes. I love the shades too, oh my gosh.
Yeah, I feel like Corella DeVille.
Oh my gosh, yes. Let me see this bag.
Look at how big it is.
You can literally fit any essential in there.
Yeah. Well, okay, thank you for your opinion. I really needed that.
Oh, you look amazing. I love the purple. The Jil Sander is literally the perfect to finish it off. This little hot sauce that you needed. All right, I love you. I'll see you soon.
Okay. Bye. Okay, so we are now at Essex Market in the Lower East Side, and I love coming here because it has all of my essentials. I'm excited to take you along and fit more things in this gorgeous bag. I'm super sustainable and like I love like using things that don't include plastic, and this is why I bring these little scarves with me because you can just put this in here and wrap it up and go. Gorgonzola, Dolce, Gufani, Titi. I don't even know how to say that. I've never seen this cheese before. Okay, so I'm a little tired after all this shopping and I need to take a break, so let's do it. This seems like a good spot. Ooh, okay. This definitely passes the third test, which is adaptability, and you can literally take it anywhere for anything. So I'm gonna go back to my game. I'll see you later. Like what you see? Subscribe to the Farfetch YouTube channel now.